Welcome back, people. Belgium, it seems like it is. Is it Belgium? We don't know. We don't know. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Thank you very much again for joining. Massive, massive respect, people. Thank you very much again for taking just 10 minutes out of your day to click on this video, tune into the video. And since you are already here, I would totally appreciate it if you hit that like button. If you first time you're seeing this channel, if you're first time you're coming across the channel, I would also appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and join the family. Now, KAHEIM DIXON recently spoke to Sports Max surrounding his potential move to club. As you know, in recent time, he was linked with multiple clubs in big European nations as well, and most definitely MLS was also a part of it. We're gonna get into the article. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are feeling good. Let's go, let's listen, let's discuss some football as we move on to KAHEIM DIXON. Anyways, as you can see on your screen here, that is KAHEIM DIXON, and the article states, fast rising reggae boy KAHEIM DIXON to consider future move after Jamaica Premier League season concluded. Very, very interesting, people. So let's get straight into the article. Article written by Leighton Levy, as you can see there. Let's jump into it. KAHEIM DIXON, the talented young footballer currently representing Honor Garden in Jamaica Premier League, is preparing to make a crucial decision about his future once the season concludes. Dixon was garnered interest from several European clubs and who has preference for playing in Belgium is weighing his options as he looks to further his career on the international stage. As I said, that's a good look. I love the fact that he's thinking about the Belgium move, because pathway-wise, I think it's the preferred pathway. And if you look at it, based off his agent history, have quite a good connection with Belgium. Shamar Nicholson and these guys, quite a good history. Shamar Nicholson, I think Ronaldo Cephas and these guys, quite a good history in the region, in the leagues down in that region. Anyways, let's continue. An exciting prospect while playing for the Casa Cup champions, Clarendon College. Dixon's impressive performance on the field have caught the attention of scouts and club representatives, sparking discussions about potential opportunities abroad, with a strong desire to continue his development in a competitive environment. Dixon sees Europe as an ideal destination to advance his skills, with Belgium being his preferred destination. And look like him, I think, like that. Let's hear what Dixon has to say. Let's hear what he has to say, people. Hopefully, sure it's kind of small, but I hope say you can see. I hope so you can see good. Anyways, let me continue. This is what Dixon is saying, people. I'm focused on finishing the Jamaica Premier League season with Honor Garden before considering my next move, Dixon told Sportsmax. Dixon's decision-making process will involve consultation with his club officials and discussion with his family to determine the best path forward for his career, but explains his preference for where he would like to end up. Playing in Belgium appeals to me because of their commitment to developing young players. And this definitely sounds like a youngster who has his head on his body, would know where he wants. And knows, you know what? I understand that it's important, it's good to just make a move out of Jamaica, but not just making a move is the right move. You have to think about where you want to go. You have to think about how can you further your career. I love the fact that as a youngster, he's thinking like this. Kind of sure probably had the right set of persons around him, guiding him through this particular process. Let's continue. Dixon made his senior debut for Jamaica Reggae Boyz during the semifinals of the CONCACAF Nations League against regional powers, the United States, and acquitted himself fairly well. His performance also convinced him that he is ready to play professional football. Well, in some sense, but we don't really know for sure. But it's good that he has the confidence that he knows, you know what, based off that, I think I can give a lot more. Reflecting on his CONCACAF Nations League campaign, Dixon shared insight from his experience. This is what he said about his experience there. I learned a lot. You have to be disciplined on and off the field, Dixon remarked. In the game, you have to adjust quickly. Only dribble in the attacking third. Interesting. In response to the interest from the European club, Dixon acknowledged the opportunity but stressed the need for continuous improvement. For now, he remains focused on winning the Jamaica Premier League title for Odegaard. This is what Dixon said now. It is a good thing that clubs are interested, but I've still got to improve on my season as well. And for me personally, me like when me hear come out time out. May I be honest. Me like the stuff that when I hear myself. He must say the right things them, and maybe the right persons that talk to him and I tell him what he say, but he's saying the right things. He's speaking about self-improvement. He's speaking about he knows that he needs to get better. This showcase that he has the necessary criteria, he has the necessary skill set, mentality, focus to go to the highest level. And I like that. It showcase that him have the desire to learn, to continue to learn. And also I like that he still has areas to improve on. So he's not even looking at himself as a finished article. So I love that. I really, really like that. That showcase a bit of maturity. As young as he is, that showcase a bit of maturity in his footballing experience so far. And it's not a lot, but it showcase that he's mature. And these are what, like, being around professional players would do. Maybe when he was at the Nation League, when him see like the other strikers, them, the Demar Gray, the Leon Bailey, the Bobby Reed, not Leon Bailey, the Bobby Reed, the Daniel Johnson. When you see these guys and see how they are performing and see how they're speaking, how they operate, he's looking at that and saying, no, oh, this is the level that I need to be. This is what I need to do to be at that level. This is how I should operate at that particular level. And that would have teach him more than enough of how the professional scenario, our professional scenery set up. And that's the importance of when you have these young talents go to experience those moments in their career path before making the big transition. They can learn these things from the professional players before going out there, and it prepares them for the next step. It really prepares them for the next step. And what I'm hearing from him, me personally, I love what he's saying. Maybe he's coach, maybe it is coach, but what I'm saying is I still love what I'm hearing from him. Speak about the most important thing, self-improvement, and that is very, very important in football. You're never good enough. You're never there until you really, really look at it and say, you know what, I need to improve. I need to get better at this. I need to fix this. And what that does, that drives you further in your career, and it really, really push you, because your biggest downfall is yourself. Your biggest motivation is yourself. Your biggest accomplishment is yourself. You always want to be the better than yesterday. You always want to do better than what you did previously. So you're basically fighting against yourself. You're not competing with anyone. You're not competing with anything around you more than just yourself. How can I get better the next time I touch on the pitch? What can I work on the next time I touch on that pitch? Yesterday I missed a shot. How can I fix that today? So I put in more training. So I love the thing that he said. This is a showcase for his young age, his tender age, a level of maturity, which I think can also help him further his development when he decides to make that step. As he said, he's focusing on improving right now with Arnett Garden. So he's basically saying, no, I still have mastered certain aspects of my game right now. So let me see if I can fix that before I even can say, you know what, let's think about the next level. So big statements coming from the youngster in my view. I really love what he's saying. Big up yourself, KAHEIM DiXon. Big up yourself, Leighton, Levy, for doing this interview. Really, really appreciate it. People, big up on yourself. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you feel like, I have no problem. If you feel like for dislike, no problem at all as well. So tell us what you think in the comment section, people. I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you guys. God bless. Boom. We don't need no